Hi, this video is show about our 8x8 HDMI switcher with like different control platforms. Like right now, I have an iPhone, Android tablet, and also an iPad here, and also my laptop. Basically, I can use like web GUI from my PC, and this is the application on my iPhone, and this is the application on my Android tablet, and this is on my iPad. And basically, right now we can do the controls. For the setting, basically we need to do is we just need to have a LAN cable go to a Wi-Fi router. Then on a Wi-Fi router, we need to make sure Wi-Fi router and the matrix switcher is actually in the same IP address range. Then we can do that. We also can check out the IP address from the front LCD screen here on the matrix switcher. Right, this is the IP address, and this is the R232 bar rate, and this is the version. So for my laptop, I can use the LAN cable directly connection. So right now, like I'm going to switch to the input 2 to all the outputs. Right, all the 8 screen are showing the same contents. And also for my iPhone here, I also can do the switchings. Input 1, switch to all outputs. Right, this is for my iPhone. Then from my Android tablet, right, and can from my iPad as well. iPhone again. So for the application for the application in the iOS iPhone, we can just find like it's called a MCS. We can just search the Matrix control system in the Apple Store. Then we can just find it. We can for the new version, like right now, this one is our new version here. So basically, the log icon is different. We can search this one as the Matrix control system Connect, and this one is like for Android. We can just provide the APK for to install on the tablet. Okay, so basically this is how we can use different control platforms to control our matrix switcher. Matrix switcher itself also can support like the IR control, or we also can use like the R32 for the controls, or like the push buttons on the front button. We can just like press the input and press the output for the switching. Right, this is how we can do the switching as well. Okay, thank you.